In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a crypto loan on the Binance app. Whether you're looking to leverage your existing crypto assets or need some extra funds, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First things first, to get started, open up your Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, you'll need to set up your account, ensuring you have all necessary verifications completed for smooth use of the app's features. Once inside the app, on the home screen, look for and tap on the More option. This will open up a menu displaying a variety of services and options available for you to utilize. Now, within this menu, focus your attention on the Finance section. Here you'll find crypto loans, which is exactly what we're looking for. Tap on crypto loans to proceed further. Now you'll see an option to start borrowing. Go ahead and tap on start borrowing. This is where you begin the process of setting up your crypto loan. As you move forward, you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you'd like to use as collateral. Binance offers a variety of coins for this purpose, and the one you choose will depend on the assets you currently hold and are comfortable using for this loan. Make your selection carefully, considering the market conditions and your own portfolio's liquidity. After selecting your collateral coin, now it's time to enter the amount you wish to borrow. Along with this, you'll need to choose the loan term. Binance typically offers a range of terms, measured in days or months depending on your needs. Remember to double check everything to ensure it aligns with your financial strategy and capacity to repay. With all of this information filled in, your next step is to review the terms of the loan. This is a crucial step, so take your time here. Make sure you understand the interest rates, repayment conditions, and any other stipulations that come with this loan. Once you're certain everything is correct and you're comfortable with the terms, go ahead and confirm. Once confirmed, the process is quick and seamless. The borrowed cryptocurrency will be sent to your spot wallet instantly. This makes it accessible for you to use as soon as you need it, which is one of the great benefits of choosing to borrow through Binance. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now learned how to take a crypto loan on Binance using the Binance app. Always remember that borrowing crypto should be done with careful consideration of the risks involved and with a clear plan for repayment. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency tutorials and guides.